Come check out this sweet 2008 Nissan Titan. It came straight from Southern California. That fact alone adds a ton of value to it due to there being no rust. This puppy is powerful. Under the hood is a 5.6 L58 engine. It is four-wheel drive, so it is perfect for all seasons we have here in Colorado, and is perfect for towing heavy loads. Come on down and check out this awesome truck. You will not be disappointed. We're the real deal. Professional, courteous, and our prices can't be beat. Please read our customer testimonials, and then ask what we can do for you. A1 rating with Better Business Bureau, free CARFAXES stellar reputation certifications, available straightforward answers. Please contact the dealership at the number provided for any of our existing pre-